Hello and welcome back. Our topic for today is reading short vowel sounds. We are now in fourth quarter, week 1 for grade 2, calling all grade 2 pupils or learners. Please watch this video. But before we continue, consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button and also the notification bell all. Thank you. Okay, there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. We have A, E, I, O, U. Short vowel sounds are pronounced in a short form. They are used to refer to the sounds that most often correspond to the letters A, E, I, O, U. When the vowel occurs individually between consonants, they follow the consonant-vowel-consonant or CVC pattern. Now, in this lesson, you're expected to read words with short a, e, o, u sounds in CVC pattern. Okay? Okay. Pronounce the short vowel sounds in the words correctly. We have dab, lead, rib, cup, and cod. Okay? Tub, red, fib, mop, bug. Dam, met, mix, top, cup. Jam, let, fix, off, sun. Ham, pet, 6, 4, pup. Okay, which words produce short a, e, o, and sounds? In task 1, identify the word which short vowel sound corresponds to the given letter at the left. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, number 1, a. What is the answer? Map, mat, faucet. It's map. Number 2, apple, leg, B. What is the answer? It's leg. Okay, number 3, E. Fin, fine, hide. Correct, it's fin. Number 4, O. Lot, loot, loud. It's lot. How about number 5, cat, bug, man. It's bug. Let's proceed to learning task 2. You are going to put a check mark if the pair of words have short vowel sounds and cross out if they differ. Number 1, cab, tap. Through 2, fed, fin. 3, sip, fit. Number 4, cat, mat. Number 5, jet, 10. Okay, let's answer. Number 1, check. Number 2, fed, fin, cross out. Number 3, sip, fit, check. Number 4, cut, mat, cross out. Number 5, jet, 10, check. Did you get it all? Okay, very good. Okay, for learning task 3, read and identify the word with the same vowel sound as the name of the picture. We have mat, bed, bib, tap, and cup. And these are the pictures. Alright, it says in the instruction that you have to identify the word with the same vowel sound as the name of the picture. You're going to choose here. Alright, for mat, it's the same vowel sound as lap. Okay, let's go to number 2, bed. Man. Okay. Number 3, bib, is the same vowel sound as bead. Next, top. It's the same vowel sound as map or lot or cup or jog. Okay, for number 5, cup. It's the same vowel sound as tub. Okay? For learning test 4, which one has different sound? Number 1, dab, van, mat, fad. Number 2, ham, hub, rub, some. Number 3, dot, den, fog, pot. Number 4, web, man, knot, peg. Number 5, kid, win, tip, red. Okay, dove, van, mat, fad is different. Mat. Number 2, ham, have, rub, some. This one is different. Okay, number 3, dot, then, fog, pat. It's then. The different is then. Number 4, web, man, not, peg. The different is not. Okay, number 5, kid, win, tip, red. Different is red. Alright. Let's go to learning test 5. You are going to read and add a word with the same short vowel sound to the set of words in each item. Choose your answer from the words listed inside the box. Okay, you're going to choose here. Hot, bed, tip, bag, hug. Number 1, hand, get, blank. Hop, rod, blank. Lav, vat, blank. 4, big, hit, blank. 5, bud, bug, blank. Okay, for number 1, we have bed. Number 2, hop, rod, hot. Next, number 3, vat, bag. Okay, for number 4, big hit, it's tip. Okay, number 5, bug, it's hug. All right. Okay, complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the given choices. The 5 vowel letters in the English alphabet are blank. Blank in the English language can represent a variety of sounds. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is found between 2 consonants, consonant, vowel, consonant, the vowel usually makes a blank sound. Okay. Okay. Here, a, e, o, u. Here, vowels. Okay, last, short. Okay, so the 5 vowel letters in the English alphabet are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels in the English language can represent a variety of sounds. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is found between 2 consonants, consonant, vowel, consonant, the vowel usually makes a short sound. Okay? So I hope you learned from this video about the lesson in week 1 for grade 2. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share to your friends or classmates. And thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.